Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a clean and simple card using the fun Lovely Layers small suitcases and globe die sets, so let's get started. I start with my suitcases and die cut all the pieces. I'm using light purple for one suitcase, teal for another, pink for another, and apricot for the last one. I die cut all the leather pieces from dark gray cardstock and the buckles from a metallic honey gold cardstock. There are great layering guides for each of the Lovely Layer sets on the Honeybee Stamps website, and I use them to guide me as I glue the layers together. This takes a while, but it's kind of calming to build the suitcases, and the end results are super cute. I use liquid glue and a pickup stick to handle all of the tiny pieces. The tacky part of the pickup stick easily picks up all the small pieces of cardstock, and the other end of the pickup stick is great for pushing the pieces into place. Once I finish all my suitcases, I start working on the globe. I die cut the globe from light green cardstock and metallic silver cardstock, and the die impresses the shape of the land masses on the globe. Then I use an embossing marker to trace the land masses on the globe and then sprinkle them with clear embossing powder. I work basically one land mass at a time so that the embossing ink won't dry out. I heat emboss the globe and repeat the process until all of the land masses are covered with embossing powder. Once they've been heat embossed, I use a tiny blending tool to add blueprint sketch and chipped sapphire distress oxide ink over the cardstock. The embossed sections resist the ink, leaving the pale green cardstock color behind. You could just color the globe with Copic markers, but I thought this was a fun and easy way to color it. Finally, I adhere the globe to the stand. Once all of my pieces are complete, I stamp a sentiment from Plain Awesome onto an A2 panel with embossing ink and heat emboss it with gold embossing powder. Then I adhere all of my die-cut images around the sentiment. This isn't a super difficult card to create, just one that does take a little time, but I really think the end results are worth it. And that's it. You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!